Hey everybody, it's Homebrew Help here with another tutorial on how to use CustomizeMii. Now essentially what CustomizeMii is it's a custom channel creator. You can take a base WAD and you can edit it so you can add your own boot dole, so it'll load whatever you want it to, and sound and titles and banners and all things like that. Now what I'm going to be doing is, if you did the my last tutorial, the how to inject ROMs, I'll be using the same ROM I made, the Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3 and Ultimate MK3, so it looks more like Mortal Kombat 3. So it's right here. So search for your source WAD. Go to your desktop and choose Virtual Combat Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. It'll load your WAD. Go to title, and all languages, it'll just Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. That's what it's going to say when you hover over it and things like that. Title ID, you want to make it something custom, so for me, I'm just going to do UMK and then T for 3. Startup iOS, don't mess with any of this. This will all, just, you want to keep it the same. Go to banner, and go to preview for this. This is the picture that'll show up on your Wii menu home screen before you click on it. And icon, go to preview. Oops, my mistake. VC pick, there we go. This is what will show up before you click on it, my mistake. And banner is what will show up when it makes that annoying doo-doo noise. So for VicPick, this just says MK3. Now, that's kind of boring, and we want to know that it's Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3, so what we'll do is we'll go to Google, type in Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3 right there. And just go over to images, and this right here, this is fine. It's a perfect of all the MK ninjas. That'll work fine. Now, a common misconception is that you need to resize the picture so it fits. I did that for a very long time myself. You actually don't. It will automatically resize it for you. So here's the picture right here. Make sure you have vcpick.tpl selected and click replace. Go to your desktop and choose the picture you downloaded, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. Okay. And now preview it. Alright. And there you go. And your icon, this is what shows up before you click on the picture when you have your little icon hovering over it. Preview it. And it already says Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3 because of the WAD I downloaded. It was already set like that. So you can change it if you want. I will, just for the sake of this tutorial. Let's go back to images, and let's find something new. What do we got here? This will work fine. The scorpion and reptile picture. And then desktop, and I'll save it again. And make sure this is selected, and replace. Extracting will just download that picture for you and put it wherever you want it. And replace. And preview, and there you go. Layout, don't mess with this. Don't mess with only if you're an expert with CustomizeMii and you know about BR LAN files is the only time you're ever going to want to mess with animations, layouts, things like that. Alright, so everything should be set. You have your custom title ID. You're going to have your own banner. Oops, my mistake. VC pick. And you're going to have your own icon. Alright. Now, there's another option to use new sounds. Sorry, there's another option to use new sounds. And this is sort of hard. This is only really, I've done it. Now, you want to go to convert to BNS and just take a .wav file. You can use online converters to take an MP3 and make it a .wav. But make sure you edit it with Audacity or something like that to make it only like a 20-second snippet. I'll do a more detailed tutorial on that maybe later. And you'll take your audio file, browse for it, and you'll go to loop and enter manually if you want it to loop, and just leave it at 0. And then you'll click convert. Now, let me check if I still have it. No, I don't. So if I had it, I could have shown you, but unfortunately I don't. I'll show you later. And for you, you just go to convert and let it convert. It'll that's the music it'll play when it goes dun dun. I had it set to the Mortal Kombat theme. I'll show you guys after I show you this one. And make sure you click Create WAD. Send WAD will have it straight to your Wii, and I think you can do that with FTP. So just go to Create WAD and save it to let's save it to our USB or SD or whatever it is you guys like to use. It'll say UMK3 dash Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. That's what this means. And then UMKT is the custom. What was it called? I forgot. The 4 custom characters. The title ID. What it uses to identify the WAD amongst all your different ones. Save it to your WAD, and then we'll save it. Let it finish packing. And successfully created custom channel. Approximate blocks 91 to 162. That may not always be correct. Just keep that in mind. Sometimes it'll be smaller or bigger. It really depends on what your the stuff you edited and things like that. So we'll close out, and we'll check our USB for it. WAD. And here it is, UMK3-UMKT. Alright, so X out, take out your USB or your SD or whatever it is you're going to use, and now we're going to head over to our Wii to install it using WADManager 1.5, 1.4, 1.6, whichever version you have for your 4.2 Wii. Alright, now that we're on our Wii, we'll head over to Homebrew. You should have WADManager on here. And choose your USB. Maybe it's 2.0, hold on. There we go. And it should be UMK3-UMKT. That's what we saved it as. There it is, UMK3 to UMKT, and then press A, install the WAD. Alright, and then we'll hit home. Head back to our system menu. And it should be right there on your first page. And there it is. There's the picture of Scorpion and Raiden, UMK3. Press OK. And there's that picture we got, Mortal Kombat 3. Press start it. And it'll just be the exact same WAD we injected. It's all Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. It's not, and it's like the exact same as last time. All we did was just change the Wii menu base for it, so it looks different now. So now you can tell them apart from Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. Where it says Mortal Kombat 3 at the bottom when you choose the WAD, you can change that. Just type in, you know, Ultimate Mortal Kombat, anything like that. And there you go, Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. Yeah, that's the ROM I got. Does that. And there you go. So, thanks for watching, guys. This is Homebrew Help on how to use CustomizeMii. Hope you enjoyed.